Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I created this fall makeup look. So guys, if you want to see a detailed makeup tutorial on how I created this fall makeup look, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. I'll be making use of this Facially Unicorn Essence Serum as my primer, and for my foundation I'll be making use of this classic makeup foundation. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead to apply it on my face and start to blend it right away. Okay guys, I also went ahead to apply more layers of the foundation in order to blend it out properly. Okay guys, and in order to cover up my face or my skin. So guys, I went ahead blending it all out properly. Okay, and then to highlight my face, I'll be making use of this cream highlight. Okay guys, cream concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin. Okay guys, and these are the areas of my face I highlighted. So guys, to contour my face, I went ahead making use of a concealer that is 2 shades darker than my skin in order to contour my face. And those are the areas of my face I highlighted, as I contoured as well. So guys, now I'm blending out my highlight first, making use of the same beauty blender. I'm not moving it, okay? I'm just dabbing it into my skin in order to blend it all out. And so guys, I went ahead blending out all the areas of my face I highlighted. Okay guys, in order to blend out my contour, guys, I went ahead making use of a contour brush, makeup brush. Okay guys, and I didn't move it the contour as well. I just went ahead blending it out. Okay guys, just dabbing it in order to blend it out, blending it back and forth. So guys, for my in order to set my highlights, I went ahead making use of this translucent loose powder. Okay guys, I went ahead applying it all over the areas of my face I highlighted, okay, in order to set it. And so guys, after blending out my after setting my highlight and blending it all out, okay guys, in order to set my contour, I went ahead using this pressed powder in order to set my contour. Okay, and I as well just blended it all out. So guys, for my blush, I'll be making use of this blush. Okay, I just smiled, then applied it on the apple of my cheeks, blending it all out back and forth in a circular motion. So guys, I'll be making use of this brow gel liner. Okay guys, in order to line my brow. I lined it underneath of my brow, I also lined it above, then I filled it in, and then coming to the front part, I gave it a little bit of a hair strokes. Okay guys, and then for my eyeshadow, I'll be making use of this Morphe 35O eyeshadow palette, and then I'll be going in with this lightest color here as my transition color, blending it back and forth while building up the eyeshadow color, guys. Okay, so guys, I'll be going in with this color right here as my crease color. Okay guys, I as well applied it on my crease, then blending it in and out. Okay, and so guys, I'll be going in with this brown color here, okay, in order to darken up my crease too. And then I'll be going in with this black color here, okay guys, in order to make my crease to be more dark. Okay, so guys, I'm just blending it back and forth in, okay guys, while building up the color as well. So guys, I'll be making use of this same concealer in order to cut my crease. Okay, remember that we are creating a fall inspired makeup look. Okay guys, and then I just applied the concealer in order to cut my crease. So guys, I'll be going in with this orange shimmer color here to place it on my crease. Okay, on my lid, sorry, on the half cut crease I did. So guys, just need to place the color, then drag. Okay, place then drag in order to apply it, okay, on the half cut crease. And so guys, I went ahead making use of the second transition, my crease color, okay, in order to blend out my outer corner and my inner corner together. So guys, making use of a clean makeup brush, I used it in order to blend out my edges of my eyes, okay guys. And then I'll go in with this black color here in order to apply it on my lower lash line, okay. So guys, I also went in with my crease color in order to smoke it out. So guys, I'll be highlighting my face making use of this highlight, and then these are the areas of my face I highlighted. So guys, after highlighting my face, I went ahead making use of a makeup brush a blending brush in order to blend it all out so that it looks like it's a glow from within, okay. And to line my lips, I'll be making use of this lip liner, okay guys. I got it off AliExpress. I'll be putting the link down in the description box and some of the products I use. So guys, for my lips, I'll be making use of this liquid matte lipstick from NYX, okay guys. So guys, I went ahead to apply a second layer of the lipstick color. And so guys, I realized that my lid color is not as bright as I want it, okay guys. I went ahead making use of this orange color from this eyeshadow palette in order to apply it on my lid tone. And so guys, I'll be making use of this color. I'll be applying this color on my inner corner, okay. So guys, that is it today on how I achieved this 4 inspired makeup look. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.